bounded by the function y equals 4 minus x squared and y equals 0 is the blue shaded region you see here. The blue curve is the graph of the function y equals 4 minus x squared. When x is 0, you plug 0 in for x squared. You get 4 minus 0 squared, which is 4. That gives us this point on the function right here, coordinates 0, 4. And then when x is 2, 2 squared is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So when x is 2, y comes out to equal 0. So we have this point on the graph, the curve of our function at 2, 0. To find the area underneath this blue function curve and the line y equals 0, the line y equals 0 is the x-axis, since every point on the x-axis has the coordinate y equals 0. We're basically